Activating notifications on your Orange 2026 device is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive all your important alerts. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the main menu on your Orange 2026 and locate the Settings icon. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of your device. Step 2. Navigate to Notifications. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications option. Select this option to manage your notification preferences. Step 3. Enable Notifications. In the Notifications menu, you will see a toggle switch for enabling notifications. Make sure this switch is turned on to allow notifications to be displayed on your device. Step 4. Customize notification preferences. After enabling notifications, you can customize which apps can send you notifications. Review the list of apps and toggle on or off the notifications for each app according to your preference. Step 5. Test notifications. Once you have configured your settings, it is a good idea to test if notifications are working. Send a test message or alert from an app to ensure that notifications appear as expected. Now you are all set to receive notifications on your Orange 2026. Enjoy staying updated with all your important alerts.